Of course, we could easily run our new script, company list order, by finding it in the forms directory of our server and clicking on it. But a far more convenient and durable way is to edit our index.php file and the list of links that we have on that page, which serves as our project menu. At the top of the links, just above the link to company create, paste the script index company list order, and it puts in a link to our new script company list order with the label list companies, and save that. We also know that our company list order refers to the script company people edit, but company people edit doesn't have a convenient way of getting back to the script company list order. So let's open the file company people edit, and at the bottom of the page where we have select another, which refers to the same script, and quit to home page, just above those two links, paste in the script forms link to company list order. So we now have a link there to company list order with the label company list and a bunch of spaces to separate it from the other links. Save that file. Now let's go to our browser and refresh the home page to reveal the new link list companies. This is pretty much like our old company list script, except it lists the fields in separate columns. It distinguishes easily between rows by differentially colouring them, and we have links across the top, which were our sort fields. Remember, when we clicked on country, it sent the value country back to the same script to be used as the sort clause for the SQL script. So clicking on country sorts by the field name country. Clicking on company sorted by the field name name, and so on. We can sort by town, county, postcode, or ID. Clicking on the ID sent us to the company people edit form, where we can see our new link back to company list. Clicking on the ID again sends us to the company people edit form to allow us to edit the people in that company. And that concludes this chapter. I hope you can see that we're inching closer to something that's actually usable as a contact management system.